So guys, hello once again, it's Taki. In this video I will show you how to use the skill that we already created with Claude. So guys, please visit our previous video how to create skills and why the benefits and why you need to create Claude skills so far. So all what you need to do in this video, I will show you how to use that skill in very smart way and it's truly automatically trigger the skill. So and this why I will use this command. I'm making a video about how to use Claude skills after creating it. Help me publish it. So whenever I just press enter here, he will trigger the skill, and you will say that the loading the YouTube first impression skill and structures that we already create previously. So it's gonna be based on your channel step-by-step beginner tutorial. It's gonna be giving you the first impression package, which is the title Curiosity Angel I built a custom Claude, value angle, how to create and use Claude skills, bold and claim angle, angel like is gonna be the Claude skills are game changer. So you'll have description, the timestamps if you want to create, the link and resources if you have something, the thumbnail concept, how you can create something. So this is how to use the skill after creating it in Claude. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Peace.